Guys, this is another unboxing. This just came from Russia Postal to the US. Took about nearly 3 weeks. So let's take a look at what we have here. It's still sealed. Today is my birthday, and it's good to have something to come through the mail after waiting for so long. Still pretty good. Still some more seal. Still more seal, and let's just take a look at Jesus. Talk about saran wrap. Case, beautiful case. And this is the Vostok 710 SE with the new dial. It's navy blue dial, as you can see. Bezel's pretty nice, your old standard bezel. Crown still the same. Feels like it's a little bit more. Doesn't feel like it's stamped material. The hours line up nicely. Maybe so. Maybe a little off like all the other ones. Let's take a look at 6 o'clock. Just a tad off, but that's perfectly fine. Against the wrist. And, overall, it's pretty nice. It's at the time, it's 10:43, Saturday, 03, and well, this is the SE from Meranom. Ordered it about 3 weeks ago, and for $100, it's pretty darn good. So thank you all for looking, and have a nice day.